I'm here in the most exciting place in the temple of Karnak, the most famous worldwide. It is the massive Hypostyle hall with its 132 massive columns. This represented the divine swamp, the papyrus reeds and lotus arising out of the waters of chaos. But look how they've restored the colors. Here, where there was no roof, towards the center, the buds of the flowers are open, but over here, the buds are closed. Hypostyle actually means under columns. It was also a practical reason for having these huge columns, which is to hold up the massive roof. But they also wanted light to penetrate into this sacred hall, so they built clerestory windows, which you can see up there. It's so beautiful. This restoration took place just in summer of 2021. They did not repaint, they cleaned the colors. And here you can see Ramses dedicating to various gods. Over there, if you can look, there's some green plants growing behind the god with the two feathers and the erection. This is the god Min and his sacred vegetable, the romaine lettuce. Yes, remember, romaine lettuce, vegetable of fertility. It's everywhere on the temples. But Hypostyle Hall, famous. It was in The Spy Who Loved Me with James Bond. It's been featured. It's one of the most famous sites in ancient Egypt. Karnak Temple, Laura Ranieri Roy.